We're just here at F1RST Motors. It's one of the newest dealerships in Dubai, and it's freaking crazy. Let's see if you can count how many Ferrari Apertas and how many other Hypercars there are. Ferrari Aperta number 1, Ferrari Aperta number 2. Just a shabby normal coupe there. You got a row of SF90s, F8s. Oh yeah, just don't mind the Chiron here, just hiding in the corner. Let's see the other things that are just hiding in F1RST Motors here. McLaren Speedtail. Let's go down Ferrari Alley here. F50, Enzo, black Enzo, yellow Enzo, 288 GTO, 812 GTS with yellow stripe going through the middle, Pista Spider, Ford GT, and then over here we got the Countach that Karim's just doing for his Instagram. How sick is that? Looks awesome. Ford GT. P1 looks sick here. It's slammed. Yeah, so we got some of the other cars just lying around the corner. Another one. AMG Black. And wait, what do we have here? Another one. The Ferrari Aperta in yellow. This one actually looks good. And then, oh yeah, just casual. Oh yeah, G-Wagon footage. G-Wagon. Where's Oprah when you need her? You get a G-Wagon, you get a G-Wagon.
Wow.
You get a G-Wagon, everybody gets a G-Wagon. So yeah, F1RST Motors here, they got 2 beautiful GTOs and unique specs. So this one's in the, I think it's this Tour de France blue with the white stripe going through the middle of it. Black interior, and then next to this we've got a crazy, I think it's a triple layer yellow with the gloss carbon side skirts. Check out this interior, it's wild. Black and yellow. And then yeah, behind that, then we go into this, which we don't get in Australia, which is a McLaren SLR 722S Roadster. I think this looks mad. Woof. Not bad, good size. And next to this is a wide body SL65 by Brabus. Never seen this before. Wow. Then we got 2 Black Series AMGs. We've got a bank of 3 765 LT coupes in the red and the chicane, and then what color is that one? So this one's got parts from Novitec. Again, as I mentioned, in Australia, we get to do the kits, the wide body and everything. You can see the pump guards, but obviously you'd have to send this to Novitec to get this done. I always find Novitec, some people don't even like Novitec, but I feel it's quite toned down, and some people, you could say that it can be passed on as kind of factory. See, it's got the pump guards, and you can see it from the front here, the flares, to show you how much they've actually widened it. All right, let's check out the row of the new S classes. This one's by Brabus. Looks very clean. I like this one, Brabus one. And we got a row of Maybachs, Maybach. Oh, let's check out the Countach that they're moving, the new Countach. Looks good, really. I prefer this over the Chiron. Okay guys, we're very lucky here to have Mehmood from F1RST Motors to kind of talk about the special cars they got here. Start off with the Veneno, the spec of the Veneno. And
yeah, so this one is a brand new one, a Lamborghini Veneno Roadster. It's the only one in the world with a fully exposed carbon. So they made 9 Roadsters, but this is the only one with exposed one. This is around $13.5 million US.
Just $13.5 million US, which is just short of 20 million Australian dollars. One of these, you can pretty much buy 4 of the Chians, right?
The Chiron was listed for $16.5 million.
Yeah. Nearly 4 million US.
Yes, almost. Yeah. So this is only limited to 63 pieces. It's the first hybrid from Lamborghini. One of the most powerful Lamborghini indeed. It's a unique spec.
But I'd still prefer the Countach over there.
The brand new Lamborghini Countach, only one in the Middle East at the moment.
Oh, the only first one?
Yeah, the first one in the Middle East at the moment. The second most powerful Lamborghini after the Chiron.
The Chiron, they made 63 of them. They made 106 of the Countach. I think this is more.
Yeah, 112.
112
pieces.
Yeah.
This is almost 14 million dirhams.
See, I'd rather buy this one than the Chiron.
But yeah, that carries a heavy name, the most iconic nameplates in the history. Countach.
Side on and the front, I think it looks amazing.
It brings literally the exact looking Countach 50 years back.
I don't want to put you on the spot, but if you had to choose 3 cars here.
That's a tough choice you're giving me, but
no budget.
no budget. That's even harder. Yeah. I'm a big Ferrari fan, so one of my top ones would be the La Ferrari Aperta.
Oh, okay. Let's just.
Yeah.
And which color would it be? Which one out of the?
People say Ferraris are always red, but for me it's always yellow.
That yellow Aperta, I don't think there'd be many yellow
Yes,
Aperta.
and it's a triple layer yellow,
Yeah.
which makes it even special. The way it looks, the shine, everything. And also, I wouldn't mind taking this one, the
Yeah.
gray one, called the Grigio Ferro from factory. Yeah, that's also a beautiful one. That's a brand new one indeed.
Yellow Aperta is one that you'd pick. That's one out of the
I
three.
would choose, yes.
And how about the older classic Ferraris?
I wouldn't mind driving a 288 GTO, the first Ferrari twin turbocharged.
How many they make here? This one? I think
This one they made only 272 pieces of it.
Wow.
Yeah, and it's in a mint condition. It's like brand new compared to 1985 till now, and the mileage that's been covered, it's considered like brand new. It's only 8,000 kilometers on the clock. I wouldn't drive this. Maybe I would buy it and just store it in my living room and just watch it all day, you know?
This yellow Aperta does look amazing. I think in the world, I don't think there'd be too many in this one.
And this is also brand new, by the way.
Low kilometers.
Yeah, and these are going for almost 23, 24 million dirhams.
So 5 point something million US dollars.
Almost. This is the triple layer yellow. We have the regular yellow over there on the coupe. And then,
regular yellow.
I mean, the Giallo Modena, but this is even better. You can see the whole big difference between the two colors.
Because next to the solar beam yellow, it does look a bit flat.
Yeah, one more to go. I would take down the F12 TDF.
Oh, good choice.
TDF. Until the Competizione comes out, but for now it's the TDF.
3 Ferraris basically. Forgot about all the other cars.
Ferrari is everything. It's history. It's beautiful. I want to choose other cars, but you give me only 3 choices.
For me, I'd love an F50 because it's manual. I think this one you can still drive with the manual. Enzo looks great to look at, but the gearbox obviously is a single
it's a
clutch.
rough drive, yeah.
Yeah. For me, I choose F50 would be one of the cars. The LaFerrari, I'd love a LaFerrari because I think you can still, the gearbox and everything is fine. If there was a Pagani, I'd choose a Pagani, and it's like a Zonda. Manual, Zonda.
I see the T-shape.
Yeah. Probably a Zonda F or something like that. Manual, you know, it'd have to be a manual one. Oh, what's the third one? Actually, I'd go for the Countach.
Countach.
Yeah.
Good
It's
set.
one Lambo.
It's one stuff to collect and keep.
And the price is actually not too bad, right?
Not too bad, yeah. To be honest, not too bad.
You know, compared to the Veneno, right? Veneno Roadsters.
But Veneno's high priced because
only less
that's
than 10.
the only one in the world that spec. You're not gonna get any of them again.
Yeah, well, Record Edition looks.
Yeah, this is a monster looking car.
The price, people paying more for the Divo?
Yes, Divo is more expensive than this, of course, because that's more track oriented. But and also, you know, it doesn't look like a regular Bugatti. It looks totally different.
Me personally, I would choose the WRE over the Divo.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But some people prefer this. Still, they prefer this. But that gives a whole different era of
I think
Bugatti.
Living in the Middle East, they probably think that this looks like a regular Chiron.
Chiron, yes.
Right?
Really.
Whereas the Divo looks like a totally different model.
Different car, yes.
You know? The one that's a bit sad, to be honest, they missed it, is the Speedtail. When they said it was supposed to be like the F1.
Okay. But
the seating position, yes, is like the F1.
But you know, this is also something like the Countach, which is heading to the future. And the way it looks, it's a stunning, beautiful design. And it's powerful.
The doors
hybrid. And so, this is how the future is gonna look. And it's gonna look sleek, faster, powerful. The things are dying slowly. They're naturally aspirated or twin turbochargers, superchargers. But unfortunately, we have to accept it.
Yeah, true.
That's where we are heading to.
And that's what I talk a lot about. Like, there's a young generation who only know EV cars. And I think the cars like this, these will be museum pieces, but...
This is something we have to appreciate while we have it and enjoy it. Some people do have to drive their cars instead of storing it, you know, because maybe at one point of time you're gonna have the rule of not driving these kind of cars.
Yes, probably around 20 years, probably. It's been amazing to walk around here, First Motors, and thank you to Mehmood.
Thank you so much. Thank you. It was a pleasure having you guys.
And if you guys ever come to, Dubai, you got to check out First Motors. You can spend hours here, and you know, you can meet the lovely people here at First Motors.
So
thanks for watching another episode of DBTV, and I look forward to seeing you guys soon. Bye.